Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add music in your Canva video. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in www.canva.com. Now here you can see the video template, click on it. Now it will lead to a new tab. Now here first simply add a video there. Now after adding the video, click on the audio option, and here I have already downloaded the audio file. You can simply click on audio files and add your preferred music there. Now simply drag this music into the screen, and here you can see that we have added the music in a video. Now if you want to adjust your music or add different effects on the audio, you can simply right click, and here you can see different options. This is it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.